Hello everyone, welcome to another edition of the Retirement Cafe. Today we're going to do a chicken pot pie or turkey pot pie, as the case is this time since it's a couple days after Thanksgiving. First of all, we're going to start out with some Pillsbury pie crust. You see I spent hours baking that pie crust. Can of cream of chicken soup. As it plops in there.
The next step.
Next step is 2 cups of chicken already pre-measured. In this case it's turkey.
Turkey from the turkey. Mix it all up.
If it doesn't look like enough sauce, see, I can add some more afterwards.
Oh yes.
And then some mixed veggies, as much as you think will look good.
Looks good.
Okay.
See how easy it is?
Yes.
For those who don't have much time to prepare dinner.
Let's add a little,
You know we do, but
another can. This one will mix some cream of celery with it.
yeah. Hi Jake, you want some soup?
Hey, the cooking's over here. Then we're gonna take
This is the key.
some crackers, Ritz Crackers.
Ritz Crackers.
Ritz
A
Crackers,
sleeve
and
or
you very
so.
delicately crunch them up.
I love Ritz Crackers. That's going to be your top. Oh
gonna be the
man,
top,
this is
right?
going to be delicious.
One little sleeve of it.
Oh, macaroni.
I think that needs more crackers.
Don't worry, his hands are very clean.
Yeah, sort of. And that's it. Then
That's it.
it'll go into the oven for a half hour.
Look at that. Oh.
Now let's stick it in the oven.
And now it goes into the oven at 350 degrees
Half hour.
for about a half hour until it's heated through.
The pie is done.
Oh boy, this is going to be good. Oh,
There it is,
yes.
chicken pot pie or turkey pot pie.
Yes, turkey. Oh, that looks good, honey.
There we go.
Ooh, me. And now we have the finished product.
That's right. Let's see how this nice turkey pie tastes. Very hot.
Oh, yeah.